Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. In today's video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and size comparison of the Motorola Z3 Play and of course the JBL SoundBoost 2 mod. Now the reason that I got this phone in late 2019 is simply because I got all of this package plus inside there's supposed to be the Motorola power pack or whatever it is. I guess the battery mod should be inside this pack as well for just 229 pounds here in the UK, guys. If you go to the Lenovo Labs website, you can still get it for 270 like that. Look in Hot UK deals for the discount code. I'm not sure if it's still available, but even for 270, if you manage to get it with the mod itself is like 70 quid, makes it 200 quid. Now I know what you're gonna say, oh, it's just a Snapdragon 636 phone. This is not the problem. I had the Motorola X4 basically 2 years ago. It was rocking the Snapdragon 630 and it was perfectly optimized to run a 1080p screen. Now in terms of the specifications of the Motorola Z3 Play, the only difference between the regular Z3, which is not available in the UK, of course it's available in the US, is the processor. The Moto Z3 rocks the Snapdragon 835, where the Z3 Play the Snapdragon 636, and pretty much that is it, guys. There's a small difference in the cameras, but it's pretty much the same thing. So we've got a 6-inch 1080p AMOLED screen, 4 gigabytes or 6 gigabytes of RAM depending on your version, 64 or more storage, micro SD card slot, 3000 milliamp of battery, 12 megapixel rear camera with a 5 megapixel depth sensor and 8 megapixel selfie camera, which I'm telling you from now on is not gonna be that great. Again, 3000 milliamp hours of battery and side mounted fingerprint reader, guys. So let's get the unboxing out of the way and see what this phone is about. I'm a Motorola fanboy, to be honest with you. They're not perfect, but I like quite a few of them. I recently had, oh man, that's a sticker over here. That's really not a nice surprise. And okay, my fingerprint. I was about to say fingerprint. Yeah, my fingerprint fingerprint is definitely, oh man, fingerprint, my fingertip is definitely sharp enough. Fingernail, actually fingernail, yeah. Anyway, doesn't matter, guys. I'm gonna oh man, that's nice. I'm gonna leave this to the side to see what we've got over here, guys. Let me see what do we have over here. A bunch of paperwork that I'm not gonna check right now. And yes, the Moto mod is here, guys. This is the battery backup Moto mod. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let me see which one they've included. I think that's the cheap Motorola version, but man, it looks nice. Definitely looks nice. It has this kind of a weird rubbery finish over here, but anyway, charger, cable, and a bunch of other crap. Let me see what that is. I have no idea. That's the 3.5 millimeter dongle, and I can imagine a crappy headphones which you're never gonna use. Let me see. Oh, they're actually not that bad. Not that bad, not that bad really. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna put them over here quickly. Now, what do we have in the JBL SoundBoost mode, guys? Let me check this one out. Okay, instruction manuals, this and that. All right. This is great. I mean, this is one of the last iterations of the Moto mods, I can imagine. SoundBoost 2. Okay, check this out. You can use it as a stand like that. I'm happy to get those two mods with the phone itself, guys. And now I'm just gonna peel the sticker. Oh yeah, let me see. Oh yes. Let me just leave it on the side over here, guys. And what do we have? Check how slim is this phone, guys. They don't make them that slim anymore. Check this out, how slim that thing is. And the side mounted fingerprint reader over here is just on your on the way of your thumb over here, guys. And yeah, man, this is absolutely nice. You've got two microphones, a bunch of sensors, Don't tell me this is the power button on the left side. I'm in a complete shock if that's the case. Yes, that is. Man, that is weird. Power button on this side is absolutely weird. But anyway, I guess I'm not going to use it because the fingerprint reader is on this side. And man, a thick glass over here. I definitely like that. So, how this phone compares to other phones, guys? Let me show you what do I have over here. This is a very similar phone in terms of pricing, 260, 270 quid, the Oppo Reno Z over here. Check this out with the Helio P10 processor. This is the LG G8 over here, guys. Check this out, pretty much the same size. Again, not available in the UK. Thank God to eBay that I got my unit. P30 Pro, I actually made 20 Pro. Yeah, my mistake. Man. I've done 3 unboxings already today, so I'm kind of at the end of my sanity already. Yeah, Mate 20 Pro. Yeah, so what else? P Smart Z, the cheapest P Smart Z, yeah, the cheapest phone with a pop-up camera, about 200 quid. Check this out, significantly bigger over here, guys. What else do we have? The ROG Phone 2. Check this out. This is, man, this is one of the biggest phones I have had, to be honest with you. What else? K20 Pro, man, these phones are getting dirty so easily. Yeah, K20 Pro, Redmi K20 Pro, check this out. Oh yeah. And what else? The Oppo Find X. So definitely a lot smaller than most of these phones, guys, and a lot more slimmer. If that's something that is important to you, this is definitely the phone to get. I know you can say, oh, but I can get the Xiaomi, blah blah blah. Listen, man, you've got a Motorola quality product from, well, apparently the US, with the Moto mods, with the battery pack, with the JBL sound mode. You get your, well, 2-year warranty. Unless we exit the European Union, that's going to be reduced to 1 year. But so far so good, and I really like the design of the Motorola. Check this out, guys. That's like a little smiley face over here. So yeah, I'm sorry that I've made too many mistakes. I'm not going to edit this video and cut all of the crap because it's gonna take me ages. Plus, it's a little bit more genuine when I do it like that. By the way, this microphone that is dangling over here, guys, check this out. This is the Comica microphone that I'm using for my videos now. I've got the review coming real soon, so stay tuned for that. That might be the best semi-professional microphone for YouTube starters, probably. If you don't like the sound, blame it on the microphone. It's not my voice or my accent, which I got regular critiques about. I really have no idea what your problem is with my accent. I understand if you can't understand me, but definitely that's not the case because I speak loud and clear. So the problem is not in my TV, it's in your TV. That's a completely ridiculous Bulgarian saying, which translated to English doesn't make any sense. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and give me a few weeks to test this device and let you know what my impressions are. But so far I like what I see, and I'm gonna test it with the battery and without the battery pack as well, so you can see what exactly. Actually, let me put this mode over here, guys. Let me put this mode and see what do we get. Okay, doesn't add too much bulk to the phone itself, by the way. It's now it's pretty much okay, a little bit thicker than the regular phones. It's a little bit heavier now, definitely heavier, but I like this texture. It's not gonna get scratched up easily, and if a simple mod like that can give you an extra day of battery life, I would take it even as a backup. Put it in your bag. If you see that your phone is let's say 15%, 10%, something like that, take the battery pack, put it on, and there you go. You've got an instant 100% charge, guys. And about the JBL sound mode, let's see how this one does. I'm just gonna leave this one over here, guys. Okay, apparently that is the revised version of the first one. The first one was getting crumbles all the time. This one has this sort of a, check this out, guys, mesh finish over here. I like that it's in black, and well, definitely we've got a brick now, but that is a proper boom box. So yeah, enough rambling on my side. I'm very happy that I've paid 220 for this phone with all the mods, guys. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Watch my review really soon on my channel, and that's about it. See you later, guys. I'm